Diabetes is a chronic condition, characterized by elevated blood sugar levels due to insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production. Proper nutrition plays a critical role in managing diabetes, as food directly impacts blood glucose levels. The goal of a diabetes-friendly diet is to maintain stable blood sugar, support overall health, and prevent complications like heart disease, kidney damage, and neuropathy. A diabetes-friendly meal should focus on low glycemic index, GI foods, which release glucose slowly and prevent blood sugar spikes. High fiber, which slows digestion and glucose absorption. Healthy fats, which improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. And lean protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar and promotes satiety. Today, we'll explore 7 diabetes-friendly meal ideas that are not only nutritious but also delicious and easy to prepare. The first meal idea is a Mediterranean quinoa bowl. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits and is highly effective for diabetes management. This quinoa bowl combines low GI grains, healthy fats, and lean protein. To prepare this meal, you'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1 grilled chicken breast, half an avocado, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, cucumbers and spinach, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and lemon juice and herbs for flavor. Start by cooking the quinoa according to package instructions. Grill the chicken breast and slice it into strips. Chop the vegetables and avocado. Assemble the bowl by layering quinoa, chicken, veggies, and avocado. Then drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. This meal works because quinoa is a low GI grain that provides sustained energy, while chicken and avocado add protein and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar. The vegetables are rich in fiber and antioxidants, supporting overall health. The second meal idea is grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potato. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Paired with fiber-rich broccoli and low GI sweet potatoes, this meal is a diabetes powerhouse. You'll need 1 salmon fillet, 1 cup of steamed broccoli, 1 small sweet potato, 1 teaspoon of olive oil and garlic, lemon, and herbs for seasoning. Season the salmon with garlic, lemon, and herbs, then grill until cooked. Steam the broccoli until tender and bake the sweet potato, slicing it into wedges. Plate the salmon, broccoli, and sweet potato, then drizzle with olive oil. This meal works because salmon's omega-3s improve insulin sensitivity, broccoli's fiber slows glucose absorption, and sweet potatoes provide complex carbs without spiking blood sugar. The third meal idea is a lentil and vegetable stir-fry. Lentils are a diabetes superfood, packed with protein and fiber. This stir-fry is quick, easy, and perfect for busy days. You'll need 1 cup of cooked lentils, 1 cup of mixed vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove of minced garlic and low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. Sauté the garlic in olive oil until fragrant, then add the mixed vegetables and stir-fry until tender. Stir in the cooked lentils and season with low-sodium soy sauce. Serve hot. This meal works because lentils stabilize blood sugar with their high fiber and protein content, while the vegetables add vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The fourth meal idea is a Greek yogurt, parfait with berries and nuts. This parfait is a perfect breakfast or snack option for diabetics. Greek yogurt provides protein, while berries and nuts add fiber and healthy fats. You'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of mixed berries, 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Layer the Greek yogurt, berries, and nuts in a glass, then top with chia seeds. Serve immediately. This meal works because Greek yogurt's protein prevents blood sugar spikes. Berries are low GI and rich in antioxidants, and nuts and chia seeds add healthy fats and fiber. The fifth meal idea is chickpea and spinach curry. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. This curry is flavorful, filling, and diabetes-friendly. You'll need 1 cup of cooked chickpeas, 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of diced tomatoes, half an onion, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and ginger. Sauté the onions in olive oil until translucent, then add the spices and cook until fragrant. Stir in the tomatoes, chickpeas, and spinach, then simmer until the spinach wilts and the flavors meld. Serve with a small portion of brown rice or cauliflower rice. This meal works because chickpeas provide sustained energy and stabilize blood sugar. Spinach is low in calories and high in nutrients, and spices like turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties. The sixth meal idea is an egg and veggie scramble. Eggs are a versatile, protein-packed food that helps regulate blood sugar. This scramble is quick, easy, and perfect for any meal. You'll need 2 eggs, half a cup of mixed vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of olive oil and salt, pepper, and herbs for seasoning. Saute the vegetables in olive oil until tender, then whisk the eggs and pour them over the vegetables. Cook until the eggs are set, stirring occasionally, and season with salt, pepper, and herbs. This meal works because eggs provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients, while the vegetables add fiber and vitamins without spiking blood sugar. The 7th meal idea is baked chicken with roasted vegetables. The simple one-pan meal is perfect for diabetes management. Chicken provides lean protein, while roasted vegetables add fiber and flavor. You'll need 1 chicken breast, 1 cup of mixed vegetables like zucchini, carrots and Brussels sprouts, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and garlic, rosemary, and thyme for seasoning. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees, then season the chicken and vegetables with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Arrange them on a baking sheet and roast for 25-30 minutes. Serve hot. This meal works because chicken is a lean protein source that stabilizes blood sugar, and roasted vegetables are high in fiber and low in calories. Managing diabetes through diet doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. These 7 meal ideas are packed with nutrients, flavor, and variety, making it easier to maintain stable blood sugar levels and enjoy your meals. Remember, consistency is key, and always consult your healthcare provider or dietitian to tailor these ideas to your specific needs. Here's to healthier, happier eating.